Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chino Rodriguez, Mamasagli Channel. A fader also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of June 2025 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information po. Ano kayang magaganap ngayong buwan ng June? Scorpio, eto na, ilalantad na natin yan. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information po. Okay, so this is something that justice, no? It's all about karma. No, it's all about balance. It's all about justisya. Pasabog, the justice will be served. Additional messages. So there's the Kingman. Now some of you guys, no, kung nakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation, ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon para bumilis na ang takbo ng sitwasyon. No, para bumilis na ang takbo ng transaction, no, customer, client, ano man yung bagay na nagbigay balakid, maaaring manumbalik sa taong gumawa ng hindi maganda. And there's something that Seven of Pentacles. This is a moment para umani, no, or para kumbaga kunin mo na ang lahat ng mga pinaghirapan. This is something that profit or something result for your hard work, no? And this something guys with a long-term harvest moment. And this is something the King of Swords. No, there is something a mental clarity, no, bibigyan liwanag, no, or bibigyan linaw sa buhay mo lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa iyo or mangyayari ngayong buwan ng June. No, at sinasabi sa iyo guys, ito yung bagay na kailangan mong putulin, alisin yung mga bagay na magsisilbing balakid sa eksena mo. And this is something that's our moment for a major changes. Na malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo dito. Na maraming bagay na maaaring biglang magbago. Biglang mag-iba. No, there's something revelation and awakening is here. And there's a page of sword, being curiosity. Na kailangan na busisiin mo, maging matalino ka. No, sa pagdidesisyon. Hindi pwede na yan, okay na yan, hindi pwedeng ganon. What is the Justice card? Now, representative for Pentacles, saving money. Protectionan mo at pangalagaan na naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, at the same time, this is something the Eight of Swords. See? Kumbaga, may mga tao sa paligid mo na naiinggit sa'yo. There's an Eight of Swords with a toxic environment na maaaring naiinggit sa'yo. No, kaya ka nakaranas ng delays that because of evil. What is the additional messages from the Angel Spirit? And of course, the represent with the King of Cups. There is a devoted for the person na maaaring ginagabayan ka. No, pinoproteksyonan ka. There is an assessor guides na nagumagabay sa'yo. No? And there's the full cup for leap of faith. Na dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, lahat ng mga bagay ito ay bibigyang liwanag sa utak mo at sa isip mo. No? Ano man yung mga bagong simula at bagong eksena na maaaring mangyari at maganap na. And there's a tower moment, represented with a Six of Wands, so there's something victory. So some of you guys, magtatagumpay ka na talaga. Ngayong buwan na to, maaaring magbigay ng bigla ang pagbabago. No, na magdadala sa iyo ng success, accomplishment, achievement, and this something, a rewards goes to you. At represent, there's the King of Pentacles with a security and practicality. You are also provider. Kaya maging matalino ka. How to manage and control your finances. So let's see, hanapin natin, hagilapin natin anong ganap para sa'yo with an Angel Spirit, with a Justice card, because the Four of Pentacles. Reference with the King of Wands. No? This is something na look at the bigger picture. Lagi mong titignan yung posibilidad. No? Lagi mong titignan ano man yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, aanihin mo yan, kaya kailangan maging wais at maging matalino how to manage and control your finances. Ibig sabihin nito, kung nagtipid ka at nag-imbak ka ngayon, diba, kumbaga ano yung magiging cause and effect ng ginawa mo, ibig sabihin, mas lalo kang magiging maganda at matutupad mo yung gusto mong mangyari. Kasi ngayon pala, nagpursigi ka na eh. Now, some of you guys, kung nag-ipon ka, nag-imbak ka, pinaglaanan mo ng panahon at oras yung gusto mong mangyari, no, eventually, guys, makukuha mo yun, makakamtan mo yun. At the same time, this is something, guys, with the Ace of Pentacles. No, there's something, a big shot and big money coming in for you. There's something, a new material offer coming in. Nakaranas ka man ng delay dahil sa mga taong nasa paligid mo na maaaring nagbigay negatibo kaya hindi natuloy yun. But eventually, guys, matutuloy siya. No? Makukuha mo na siya. And this is something, the Knight of Wands. Slow and steady. No? Kumbaga, mahinahon, mabagal siya, pero sigurado. No? Mananatili sa'yo. No? Additional messages. So, there's a Queen of Swords. No? There's a clear the boundaries. Linisin mo, alisin mo yung mga bagay na magsisilbing balakid sa eksena mo. No? Itong bagay na ito makakasira, putulin mo na kagad with the King of Swords. No? There's something, a new beginning will arise. Talagang bibigyan ka ng bagong eksena, pag-asa. No, na makakamtan mo. At this is something, a second chances na maranasan mong muli. And there's a Five of Cups. Some of you may mga disappointed ka nangyari, but definitely, kailangan mong tanggapin lahat ng kabiguan at pagkakamali mo. Dahil sa bawat pagkakamali, mayroon kang aral na natutunan at ang aral na yun yung magdadala sa iyo ng tagumpay. No? What is additional messages? There's a Knight of Cups. Some of you may romantic proposal, offer that brings you a higher level of commitment, no, maraming offer na paparating na maaaring magdala sa iyo ng kaliwanagan at mas malinaw na eksena. What is additional messages with an angel spirit pagdating sa outcome? So there's something, the Three of Pentacles for collaboration. No, communicate clearly. Na kailangan mo makipag-usap ng maayos at wasto. No? And there's a Seven of Swords with a sneakiness. So sabi ko na nga ba eh. No, there's something stalking, looking, watching at you. Some of you, there's a betrayal pa. No, kumbaga, etong tao na to, nakakausap mo, nakakasama mo, yung pala siya pala yung lihim na may inggit sa'yo. Diba, kaya ka nakakaranas sa mga delays at pagbagal na pasok kasi siya lagi nakakasalamuha mo, nakakausap mo. No, kaya huwag ka nag-share ng kahit anong information, lalo-lalo sa hinihintay mong pagkakataon. And this is something, the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys, no, kumbaga nakakaranas ka ng financial crisis, financial loss, no, pero unti-unti ka rin makaka-recover from that. No, there's a Page of Cups. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Nagkaroon ka na ng intuitions eh. Conclusion about dyan. So, kailangan pakinggan mo. No? And at the same time, this is something, the Ace of Cups, no, nag-uumapaw na love offer and passion. Sa kung naman yung mga bagay na gusto mo. No? Magkakaroon kayo emotional awakening. Mamumulat ka na lang sa lahat ng bagay na nararamdaman at nakagisnan. And there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment. No? Matutupad yung mga pangarap mo at magdadala sa ito ng satisfaction and emotional richness, no? Kumbaga nag-uubapaw na sa yan para ma-overwhelm ka. Nasa likod nito, kumbaga nandito pala yung talagang malalasap mo ang tunay na sarap. Ganon. So let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career. So let's see and watch this. Finances and career represent what? Represent with the Six of Swords with the transition. Unti-unti ka na rin makakalaya sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Lalo-lalo na sa usaping pera, negosyo, trabaho. No? Makakawala ka na dyan. There's a Ten of Pentacles. Magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. Talagang magiging pang matagalan ng finances mo. No? Matagal mo tong hinintay at matagal mo tong inaasam. And there's a Two of Wands. You have the power to choose. No, ikaw yung gagawa na ikabubuti at ikababago ng landasin mo. And there's a star card for healing and recovery. No, may pag-asa pang makabangon at makalaya ka dyan sa sitwasyon na kinasadlakan mo. Unting-unting hihilumin, unting-unting matutupad, no, ang iyong mga pangarap. And at the same time, there's the Queen of Pentacles. Kumaga, pwede ka magbukas ng business, no? Marunong ka mag-manage at mag-control ng finances. That's good. And there's a Nine of Pentacles, magkaroon ka ng security, no, and of course, practicality and slow and steady. No, manatili ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, stay on your ground and have patience. No, time will come. Darating yung araw na magiging masagana at magiging maganda na ulit ang buhay mo. Tandaan mo, ikaw yung pipili ng eksena na tatahakin mo. Kung hindi mo papalayain yung sarili mo sa isang situation, hindi magbabago yan. Kaya it's time, no, na para pakawalan na at umalis na sa sitwasyon ng punong-puno na kasadlakan. What is additional messages? Pagdating sa love life, there's something, the word card. Some of you guys, no, talagang babaguhin ang mundo nyo ng person mo. Some of you maaaring magkita kay international, maaaring tagababa sa yung jowa mo, asawa mo, or maaaring makapag-travel kayo together. And there's a judgment for a wake-up call. Parang this is the moment, no? Parang kailangan mo nang mag-pay attention sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And there's the sun card, no? Bibigyan kaliwanag at magiging magandang kalalabasan at umapaw na kaligayahan. Now, ultimate happiness is here. And the 10 of Swords with the sabotage. So some of you, kumaga matatapos na yung mga sakit, mga taong kumaga nag-betray sa'yo, yung mga taong tinraidor ka, no, makikilala mo at malalantad na yan. No, there's a native ones, no, makakatanggap ka ng phone call and messages kasi kumaga sila mismo ang maglalagay sa kanilang kahihiyan at kasadlakan. No, there's something that's 10 of wands, no, some of you nakaranas ka talaga ng mga paghihirap, burden, no, at the same time na mga struggles, obligation, but definitely makakabangon at makakaraos ka na. No? Lalo-lalo usapin ng asawa at relasyon. No? Or jowa. Additional messages about sa kalusugan mo. Reference with the emphasis card for revert. No, ibabalik muli ang sigla at ganda ng iyong kalusugan. Some of you baka magbuntis ka pa nga. And there's a 10 of cups with a happiness. Na magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na this time. No, mag-uumapaw na saya at mag-uumapaw na kaligayahan na nandito. And there's a 2 of Pentacles, maging balance ka physically, mentally, and emotionally. No, maging balance ka. Additional messages. And at the same time, there's something that's temperate with a perfect timing. So this is the moment, no, para magkaroon ka na ng balance na kalusugan, kalagayan, at magiging maayos na ang iyong pakiramdam with the 8 of Cups. No, makaka-move on at makakaalis ka na dyan. Ibig sabihin, gaganda na ang pakiramdam mo. No? At there's a the moon card, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng gusto mo mangyari, malalaman at maliliwanagan ka. Especially sa panaginip mo. No? Kung bakit mo napapanaginip yan, kasi may gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa iba. Eventually, guys, no, hindi na siya tatalab kasi kumbaga bumabalik na sa taong gumawa yan. No, at the same time, guys, makaka-move on ka na dahil gagaling ka na sa iyong mga sakit at karamdaman. So, let's see what is additional messages tayo. Pagdating tayo with the magical fire messages, advices, and of course, pick a card, yes or no. So guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Then of course guys, no, some of you guys, no, yung iba dyan na nagtatanong, bakit nakarelate sila, no, sa ibang signs or mga ibang horoscope like Taurus, Capricorn, no, Virgo, maaaring kumbaga parte yun ng sign mo. It's either rising sign or something ascendance, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kung anong oras ka pinanganak, at the same time kung saan ka pinanganak kasi nandun yun sa chart na yon. Kumbaga, tuklasin mo kung ano yung sun, moon, rising, and Venus sign mo. Doon mo makikita kung ano yung ascendant mo, no? Baka you are also Aquarius, no? Scorpio ka pero ang pinaka-ascendant mo is Aquarius. So, related ka doon. No, pwede mo rin panoorin yung Aquarius na yun, baka related yung mga mangyayari sa'yo doon. No, same din siya. No? So guys, let's see what is additional messages. Ang pick a card, yes or no, no? Pwede ka magtanong, pero isa lang magiging sagot. Pipili ka with a 1, 2, or 3. No? 1, 2, or 3 ang pipiliin mo. Anong number na pili mo? Comment down below. So guys, umpisa na natin with the magical fairy messages. Represent what? So let's watch this. With magical fairy messages, represent what? With magical fairy messages. And that's the autumn. I told you, harvest moment. Diba? No, ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon ng pag-aani. And there's a marriage, especially din pagdating sa love life. No, ito na yung tamang slot para magmahal ka at mahalin muli. And there's a let go. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mo na pakawalan at bitawan. Diba? Pasabog. What is the yin and yang? Oracle card. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? And there's a change. Na unti-unti na rin magbabago ang situation mo dito, guys. No, there's a change in the flow. Dadaloy na raw ang magagandang kapalaran for you. Additional messages, guys. And there's a masculine. Some of you know, mataas ang masculine energy mo dito. No, you are dealing with a masculine or you are also a masculine. What is the synchronicities represent what? A signs or synchronicities represent what? And there's a trust. So, kailangan mo talaga ipagkatiwala at magtiwala sa ating pong may kapal. And there's a river with a flow, double clarification with a flow. Dadaloy na to at magdadala sa ng stabilidad. No? One more card represent with a reflection. Lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo ay maaaring mag-reflect sa'yo. Sa madaling salita, consequences or karma. What is the romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck? Represent what? Represent a home foundation. So, some of you guys na talagang matibay ang inyong pundasyon sa inyong tahanan, sa inyong pagsasama, sa inyong pamilya. And there's the competition. May nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo, no? Babae. No? And this is something with an insecurity. So, malaki talaga ang inggit or maaaring pakawala mo yung inggit mo sa sarili mo or mga bagay na parang meron kang gusto mangyari, hayaan mo siyang may sa katuparan, no? I-boost mo tong self-esteem. No? Kumbaga yung pag-aalilangan at kawalan ng konfiyansa sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. So, let's see what is an angel's number. Represent what? For an angel's number, represent what? And there's a 222 with the feminine forces. No, you can do everything by yourself, but life is to be shared. Partner up with the right spirit. And you become a force honor and a commitment. People around you don't judge and listen. So, kailangan mo makinig. Something advices, something information na makakatulong for you for growth or expansion. No, lahat ng mga bagay na to ay maaaring makatulong sa'yo, no, para sa ikaw uunlad at kababago ng buhay mo. What is the money move oracle deck? With the money move oracle deck, represent what? With the money move oracle deck, represent what? Okay. Oh my God, I told you, oh my God, isa lang yung sinasabi ng baraka. Harvest a fruit of labor. I told you. Diba? Ito na yung panahon at pag-aani. Diba? Sabi ko na eh. It's time to reap the fruit of your labor and become rich. Magiging asensado at magiging mayaman ka na this time. Or kumbaga sa lahat ng aspeto yan ha. Ibig sabihin dito, magiging masagana at magiging maganda talaga buhay mo. Now, and there's a shadow work represent what? No? Kaya kumbaga kung hindi ka man nakakaranas ng any progress right now, no, huwag kang mag-alala. Grind lang ng grind. Aani ka din. No? The shadow work represent what? Represent with a mental contest. Control, power, repress. Strength isn't for a winning, struggles define strength. So see, yung kalakasan mo yan yung magpapatunay sa'yo. No? Na ano man yung dagok na pinagdaanan mo, hindi ka duwagan at hindi parang hindi yan yung dahilan para maging parang hindi yan dahilan para hindi ka magtagumpay. Yung takot na yan. No, ngayon kumbaga yung lakas na yun ang gagamitin mo para makalaya at makawala ka na diyan. No? So let's see what is a part of the light represent what? Ang ganda, pasabog ka diyan. Represent guys with expansion. See? Autumn, fruit of labor and expansion. Talagang lalawak talaga. No? Talagang palalawakin ka. No? I am always growing, expanding, and evolving with every experiences. And I expand my understanding and deepen my connections to the divine. I welcome change and new possibilities, knowing that each step forward brings me closer to the higher potential. No, bola mong, kumbaga kaya mong lumawak, no, lumago ang iyong sarili. No, and this is something what lies beneath with the hidden future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap mo? Pasabog. Ibig sabihin dito may pumipili talagang pabagsakin ka. Mayroon taong naiinggit sa'yo, pero don't you worry, karma is waving. Talagang babalik sa kanya what they deserve. No? And of course, outdated, expired, disguised, old news. No? Parang tapos na. Yung issue na to ay maaaring alam mo na. No? Maaaring matapos na at tutuldukan na. What is a clarifying for a love situation, sorry. Clarifying for a love situation represent what? At the same time, this is something between the lines. Uncover the truth carefully and write your own ending. So see, kumbaga, tatanggalin na yung takip ng eksena na magpapatunay sa'yo or magdadala sa'yo, no, ng kaliwanagan, no, magdadala sa'yo ng matinding kasagutan sa iyong mga katanungan. Ito na yung ikaw yung maglalagay sa sarili mong kapakanan, ikaw yung maglalagay sa sarili mong kasasadlakan. Ibig sabihin dito, ikaw mismo ang maglilinaw sa sarili mong linya at kapalaran. Oh my God, what is a clarifying for a life situation? And this is something, a flame of works, no? Ignite the flame of courage, lighting the path of bravery amidst shadow of fear. So see, kumbaga, this is something, the flame of courage, na parang, ito yung sanga-sanga ng sanga-sanga ng mga lakas ng loob o tapang, no? Na kailangan mo labanan ng takot at pangamba mo at sa multo ng sitwasyon na nararanasan mo, no? Kumbaga kung may nararamdamang katakot, pangamba, alinlangan, alisin mo yan. Now, what is a yes or no pick a card? So, let's see and watch this. Okay, with a pick a card, yes or no, guys. No? Let's start tayo with the number 1. Kung sino yung mga nakapili na number 1, let's see. And there's a yes. Finding fertile ground, steady growth, fruitful. Ibig sabihin nito, hanapin mo, no, kung saan ka lalago. Hanapin mo yung lugar kung saan ka lalago at lalakas. No, kung paano ka uunlad. No, kasi may mga tao sa paligid natin na hindi nakakatulong, na sip-sip lang ng sip-sip ng eksena. No? Kung itong tao na to ay negatibo, palayain mo, waksan mo, alisin mo sa buhay mo. No? Tantanan mo. No? Number 2. Sino yung nakapili na number 2? Ito na yon. And this is something, yes again. Reach the high goal. Success is near. So see, ito yung mataas na pangarap mo na maaaring mong makamtan, na maaaring mong matupad at abot kamay mong malalasap. No? Ito na mararamdaman mo na ang mismong magpapabago ng landasin mo. Number 3, kasi nakapili na number 3, there's a no. Spotted reputation going bad written idea. No? Kung baga sinasabi dito, wag mo nang ipilit, no? Or something na parang hindi tama yung gusto mong mangyari. No? Baka ikabulok mo o ikasira mo to. Umiwas ka sa mga bagay na alam mong makakasama sa'yo. No? So guys, this is a monthly gabay from the month of June 2025 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporte sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang dinigi-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!